Hi and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials.
In today's video we will create this kind of stylish earrings. Let's start. As always, all necessary materials, what you will need for this tutorial, you will find in the description below this video. First of all, we will start from our middle element, and for it you will need the eye pin, 10mm bead. Here I have amethyst stone and bead caps. We take one bead cap, then our bead and another bead cap. Then we take round nose pliers, bend our pin, and I will make a loop. I will make it double. I want to make it more secure and closed from every side. This way. Then I will take jump ring, I will open it, and I will put inside my jump ring 9 chains. And I will attach them to my middle element and close the jump ring. Then I take our druzy agate stone, I open the loop on our element, attach the stone, close it. Same we do with the clasp, gently open it, attach it to the stone and gently close it. And our earrings are ready.